Some yeah kunezinye izinto ongeke uzilungise yabo kumele nje yabona uvela uthi nje umuntu makathi hey I need money for electricity for uvela ushiye kunjalo nje yabo mina ngifuna umuntu onama problems weimali ngakusiza la but ungazinenkinga zeimali
nanokuthi nabraki vele uma usaqala singitshela ngama problems uyafrustrate
no utshela makakuthanda ngeke akutshele ngemali suka nje yabo I like uJacinta what I've seen so far I like social media I think she can hold it but she comes in the space of 1 in a million you know she's an exception she's a rare breed and this is where I say people will say not all I cannot say not all a movement let's say be it to do the march and all that find a way ukuthi may a nice individual how can I survive? If in a skill, let me continue at that profession. Because if you don't, uzosithengisa. Bazofika ama-politicians at bamba nayo imali. The business community bamba nayo imali. You know. Or so ufuna ama-donation, uhamba utshela nama-Pakistan ukuthi hey, donate into my foundation, which it has happened many a times.
In closing, the behavior of Phakela Mthakathi after meeting the president and the direction that the country...
And it doesn't owe Jacinta an explanation. It does because he came there under the Tikite March and March, which is about immigration. It did not come ngobunsizwa, you know. And yeah.
Yo, mfana, shaya stress. Ngithi ngizoqala episode but ngiyabona stress singibambile. Endlini kuphele yonke into kuphela ushukela. Imonto impela yepetrol ingane angazi ukuthi ngizoyinika imali yokukhera ngizoyithatha phi isimo siyabheda ndoda umuntu uzohola nini la yo
yeah life doesn't wait for payday. That's why Jojo Finance offers fast affordable short-term loans from 100 rand upwards.
Mfethu userious ngalento?
Yeah, you simply provide your ID, latest payslip and a 3-month bank statement. The approvals are quick, interest rates are low and it's a simple process.
Manje awusho mfana ba registered singabathemba abantu abanje.
Jojo Finance is NCR approved. So now what will happen, a credit assessment will take place to determine your approved credit limit from 100 rand upwards. The number results will be shared with you before any agreement.
So bese batholakala kuphi labantu or mhlawumbe ngakhona ukubafonela?
You can visit them on shop number 23 Brown Building, 10 Paul Kroger Street, Mbombela. Or call them on 079-875-3876.
Ayabona lawa nkalakathi ngiyabafonela. Mfethu ngidinga imali. Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I hope by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at that time. Today, we're talking about what is going on in the country. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership, and also donate our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much for the support. We highly appreciate it. Thank you. Otherwise, James, how are you on Grace?
Yeah, once again, thank you for the support. It's road to 200,000 subscribers. It's been a wonderful journey. It's still suka kude saya kude.
Yes,
suka kude saya kude.
Uba designela ama t-shirt antswempu.
Oh yeah, we are working on t-shirts.
Limited edition.
Yeah, but so it's announcement the proper.
Yeah.
But yeah, something is on the way. Yeah, expect some merchandise.
Nice one.
Yeah. We on Grace.
Even James knows.
Mkhonyana. Thini ixesha Mkhonyana.
Shows bad.
Why usibaro wakho ukujoyina ka engijoyina ka usibaro wakho
Shows bad.
Ungiboni
Uthofuthi insizwe sedladlile yokuze usibani.
Hayi ngimele izoba umamncane lapha kujayile.
Thina emajiteni I don't know ngalamajensi akhula no. Thina always had that policy emajiteni ukuthi mawimpintshi yami akwazi ukujola edladleni. Because mojola umntana esedladleni, you know when you are in your 20s, ujola umntana esedladleni. Mina nawe siyavaya somewhere siyindaweni sibona abanye abantwana. sesifuna ukubabamba
No,
and wena ujole edladleni.
leyo ngiyayizwa na Bright, but mina angithi yabo njengami ngazi asiphume sifuna amanye ama-cherry and uyangazi ukuthi umuntu kanjani yabo. Asikho isikhathi
Ayihluphile da.
ayikho
Yeah,
yabo
Okay.
asinginaso isikhathi sokuthi mhlawumbe sengiseklapini nje ngofuna iy'ngane angiphumi ngale mangiphuma ngihamba nabo siya lapho wonke umuntu ubuye ngabambile akekho futhi siye ngokuthi kuyodliwa lokho akekho umuntu oyobamba yabo.
thina besifast bekunara idea ukuthi
Yeah.
imfethu akwazi ukujole edladleni.
Yeah,
Aye.
no, I understand the point.
Because manje sesiyabona so double cost umntana sedladleni nami ngikhona khona la sekumele ngithule. Oh, hayi.
I think ngathi sinjalo. Ne-generation ethi njalo ukuthi nje njengoba sisho ngiyaqala uku-experience le nto le noChris. Udawuvana nawe wona sifasi 3 years sibheke iy'nsaza.
Yeah.
Yabo-
Yimi nginokuphapha ngithele insaza yinhle. Zingimangalele lezi.
Yabona Scarface, uyazi Scarface imovie. uScarface ushaye ilady ngimpintshi yakhe for yona lady. Ungayitshela ukuthi get away from my sister. Le yabona ibhizi emva ka sister. Kanti izosuka washaya ngegani.
Ufela ubani?
Yeah.
Because
Kokunye singasho ukuthi uyikhuza ngoba uyayazi ukuthi awutheki out nje.
Yeah, yayazi ukuthi le ilastar.
mina ngazi uma ngikhathele noma kanje manje anginayo energy.
Awunayo energy.
Hayi,
Besides, no, I don't blame you. There's nothing in the market now.
No.
There isn't. There isn't. I mean, like I usually say, ukuthi thina majita, there are things that we consistently want. We don't change. No matter the economy, we want a particular type of a woman. And those women, they're no longer there. The situation, it has changed. The setup has changed. Women are now masculine in the main. And you can see now that most women are not raised by their fathers. They've never seen a relationship between a mother and a father. And Guma job market, women are more empowered, ahead of men. And obviously, it changes the character. I mean, now women are drinking. In the past, women were not drinking. Women now, they want to go to a whole face. And all those things, zibenza ukuthi bangabi eligible. Tina, we don't want a woman who's been pierced around all over every guy, uyomshaya. You don't want that. So women have changed the character. That's why ngasabona imishado. When was the last time you saw a wedding? Imoto zindlula decorate you. You don't see that.
ubona ama-film.
Yeah, you only see ama-funerals, after tears. Yeah. Basibizana ama-gender reveal nale enye le bayibizana le maba-celebrate or pre-celebration baby shower. And from there, that's it. Labor is pop them with babies and then there are no marriages. So the setup is like that. Yeah.
Baby shower ka baby mama. Father uza ne-girlfriend yakhe.
Yeah.
So kwama
Noma uthi uyehlisa i-age mina nolasi kunelinye engingalithola i-2K abantu ngibhema bathi hot man 2K I want young and bayakhala laba abanye bathi ukuthi kunganomnyane but they forget ukuthi bona they were young at some point, they were chasing older men. Women, they can balance because women, they mature quicker. And thina as guys, we want fertility. I want youth because, it comes with fertility. And I mean, what am I going to do with somebody who's 52 or 54? Menopause. I mean, I still want to expand, the generation, the legacy. And I don't want the family say, Nigerian, baby, father with Nigerian. So, what's at least the age? I'm done on 25 to going on 26. You're grand. I'm fit to know I'm for stan. Ngiyasitshela ukuthi hayi umntwana incane inyuku mara yazini at least ihotman awuthi limpolishe yabo kunezinye izinto sometimes nalento yokulungisa kunezinye izinto ongeke uzilungise yabo kumele nje yabona uvela uthi nje umuntu makathi I need money for electricity for uvela ushiye kunjalo nje yabo mina ngifuna umuntu onama problems weyimali ngakusiza la but ungezinkinga zeyimali
nanokuthi nabraki vele uma usaqala singitshela ngama problems uyafrustrate.
No, uCharma kuthanda ngeke akutshele ngemali suka nje yabo because utry ukuthi angakubalekisi manje lo kancane baby I miss you imali baby when am I going to see imali plus wangikhinya kokugcina ke makathi you know that I do have a child. Yo, mina ngiyashintsha mfethu nasebusweni. Ya noma sihlele ekareni kusho ukuthi isifuba sami ngathi siyatopela. Ya bengijabulile. Yazi ne concentration yabaleka. Ya kusho ukuthi manje makathi no I do have a child. Yabona nemibuzo ya myself yabona ya you know that the interest is gone. Yase ngiyabuza where is the father? Manje time yabo hi time yabo itime manje ngeke lingilwise manje ngibona nawe hayi awuthi nje grand is chilled. I'm no longer there mina yabo. And futhi mawuthi uzobheka nawe uthi yakhona phela thina siyajajana uzothola ukuthi uzikomota mawuthi oh my goodness. Manje I must deal with this guy. If phela nginalomntwana listen.
Yeah, you have to deal with that.
Ngiyakuthrowa kusho ukuthi forever ngizodila nale out le ku picture. I've been there mfethu many a times kuma situations kanjalo. I don't want to find myself in those situations. I was not tailor made for that situation ukuthi lokuthi my baby daddy did this. He was here. Omunye uhamba nomntwana eEastern Cape. Baby kuphi? Athi hayi ndila kutata wabantwana bami. Naw lapho. Yeah, hayi athi hayi kunomsebenzi apho. Ulalapho wena. Athi hayi ndila lapho phela utata wabantwana bami. Yes, I phela.
And you're touching such a good point. Bekune post at circulator on Facebook. Umchita ukhulisa ingane kune stepchild esentombazana stepdaughter ya. So inangizana kuthiwa lo baba lo wazama beyanza benokuyikhisa
uthi ugirl uthi the stepfather ugirl ulizana intombazana bashadile. Then the stepfather uyamkhulisa obeyasuka umntana.
Yeah.
So umthatha njengomntanakhe. So uyenza lento yokuthi umncabuze umntwana omncane umncabuze as a father hayi lokumncane lokusipha. Ngoba umncabuze yabona. So ugirl wakhuza umjida athi mfethu cebeke ukuncabuza incisi yami yena not the biological father. So uguy wathula wavuma zange amlwise. Wathi ugirl after a few weeks later umntana wagula. Makethiya ku Dr. Thoth uqase kamkhiphile ku medical aid umntwana.
Yes sir.
Sakayambuza ukuthi hawu manje athi I'm not the biological father. Hayi nini la check futhi sakamkhiphela ngumapholisi ukhiphile nje into ezakho guy.
And akasekho
manje ayithulele
manje usemtreata nje umntwana eqanthwe beyamthanda bekaza kuzokuthiwa ubaba wentombazana.
Yeah. Manje ayisekho la idea.
Ngeke yakhala uthi how do I fix this?
Kunzima ukukhuza phambi because nazo le ntwana lezi
Kanti utha bangena. Yeah.
Kunzima phambi because nayo le ntwana lethu ukuthi mfethu itime la nje linye ihlonga ndlebe because remember the first babies these women nababenza they're still young abakabi slim and what they think ukuthi it's it. This guy is an it guy. Thola ukuthi nje iwaza nje le out because the criteria abayuzayo in their 20s is not the same criteria that they will need in their 30s because women they want a different man in all the stages of their lives. In their teens it's about maybe a guy who's cool, good looking or kubo kunento ezithize. In their early 20s they want a different man. In their 30s they want a different guy. That's why nokuthi mina yasengifuna nje umuntu nje yabo ozongithanda yabo a provide 1 2 3. In their 40s they want something else. Noma we are with divorce, they want something else, you know. So, man, I'm gonna deal with this guy. In mistake ayenze, and you know, when she was a teen or in the 20s, now this guy is here. Nama jeans wakhe, now ala kule ntwana le ngezwe, mawuthi uyakhuza la yagijima, seyile, ukhuza la, seyibambe le ya PC, idlala ngemic, ihlonga ndlebe, mawuloku ilandelela kuba ngathi wena awufuna umntwana. So I don't want mina those things. Ikudala ngiba kulowo ma situation omunye mfethu ubaba umntana sekamthathile esikoleni lo mama ustress yabo sekuyaliwa kuye ema court nami I must be there. No mina ngenda mina I'm a man. I can have many kids. I'll still not settle with a woman with a child because akufani. People banokuthi manawonabo ngithi anginabo but mina there'll never be a situation where I go to another woman ngithi please assist my children with the school fees, assist my children with 1 2 3. Banobo mama baba. And chances are that she may never meet them unless mhlambe kunenye situation mhlambe kushoniwe or yabo kushone mina whatever. But on the day to day mina ngizolo ngiyibona le out. Yabo nangu umntwana uyagraduate seyikhona now. Uyathrowa. So I don't want to deal with another man. Mina ngiqale relationship, ask a woman, is there a man in your life? No. We go into the future. Makathi kunebhari, hayi, ngizoshaya nje yabo. Yeah, for entertainment.
So manje uthini bra kubantu aba in this situation yokuba i-stepfather?
Ngiyababongela. Ngiyababongela. They are strong. I'm not discouraging anyone, but for me, ngiyazazi ukuthi njani mina yabo. Yeah, I cannot deal with situation ekunenye indoda, because once a woman no baby daddy, that man will live rent free inside that woman's mind and heart, no matter what you do. Ukhona kuyafana ukuthi ushadile naye, you know, because bane something abahlanganisayo for life. They share something ongeke bahlukanise. So I don't want to find myself in those situations.
Because
so I understand the ndlela uyichaza ngayo, ne? So say your baby mama uyathrow,
I don't have a problem.
mama kunencosi athi already le ncosi yakho.
Yeah.
So would you allow ukuthi make you throw avale incosi yakho, or like i-situation kanjalo? Because abanye nokubona bathi mina mangithrow ngihamba nencosi, vale incosi, so when there's a time ngizobona uphuma kanjani. Abo situation or awusabi ukuthi mayenza or sayenzakela ngazi udile nayo kanjani into enjalo, because
Bavane incosi as in change yonke into bayi-adopte or baye far away.
noma adoptha.
I don't have a problem. Incosi ngahlala ne-old lady. Incosi esikhathini esibhaya i-more comfortable ne-old lady. I don't have a problem. As long as mangina something of importance bazongitshela yabo ukuthi mfethu kunento esoso or kufuneka imali esoso esigela. I'll always maintain. I maintain all my kids,
So
no
if-
matter
if-
where they are.
if you feel like the point there ukuthi maybe throw it out efana nawe time le ndaba ka baby daddy ngizwisisa sicela umntana sihamba naye or ushena ubaba.
Mayihamba naye kuzomele isho ukuthi what are the terms. Mabahamba bonke, bahlala bonke, but there's a certain role engizoyidlala la. Because ngithi amale ncosi. You can't change that. I-support financially nokuthi ngibone once in a while. Mbona mele ba-agree ukuthi mina la ngifeature kanjani. That's why mina angifuni ukudila nalezo zinto ukuthi there's another man ekumele feature in the life of my woman. A man who will change the schedule. No last ngithole enye ethikini yengami la. Ila ku 32. Grand nje umntana. But uthe makathi ncosi, you understand ukuthi sometimes mangimele ngivaya naye, kumele nje ufuna no umuntu ozosala nencosi. Those are not my problems.
yeah.
Yeah, sekumele kutholakala umuntu ozosala nomntwana or time alikho available. Hey mina
And that was my red flag on my last date. Okay, nami ngiya kwi-date nalo muntu. Ungitshela ngencosi yakho ukuthi ayina umuntu ezosala naye. Then ngikhipha imali ukuthi asale ne-babysitter.
yeah.
But I was like, okay, it's okay. But uma sesikwi-date, first of all, okay, uyafika uyahlala, then ayoshootha everything. Then I was like, abona-ke, this is it. The muntu oshutha yonke into ukudla iwayini uyibamba kanje uyashoot. Like mina ngiyifunda izinto. But another thing mase ngibuza ngencosi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngencosi is like, hey, he's a good guy nje, sefana nomngani wami, ubaba wencosi. He's a good guy. Ufana nomngani wami.
Why angabuyelanga kuye?
That was my question.
If he is a good guy, go back to
Yeah, because
Yeah,
Kim akavezi any red flag about uguy. It's like, hi, oh, umngani wami nje siyakhuluma. I'm like, umngani wakho was supposed even to pay the babysitter. Ingane yakho, because now I'm paying for ingane yakhe i-babysitter.
I mean, to be honest, I would know that if I were to settle with someone who's got kids or a child from somewhere, I would know what I failed in life. You know, I will cry out to God. But Eloi, Masavata.
Right, let's talk about it. Let's get into
The Lord
it.
has deserted me because I don't want that situation. I've been there. It is a horrible situation to find yourself in because there's this guy that you have to deal now on day to day. Sometimes this guy I'm abused. I'm not sister rejuta. Hey, sitting I'm big. Ngoba wangilwisa na wathi ngikhuluma ngayo kuma podcast. But maningi amajuta engizwane nayo. And then lo sister situation ifana neyomunye yabo. Yeah. So angifuni mina situation ukuthi manje sekumele ngizo-interfere ubaby daddy uyalwa nale bhari. I don't want mina i-situation enjengaleyo. And kancane kancane ngilongitshela ngomunye umuntu, no, you know, ngiyindoda myself, I'm here to push i-legacy yami, yabo, ukuthi la edladleni manje sizophusha uMaseko uNgcobo, yamaperena donki, no, angeke ngimele leyo. Yeah. There are many women that I meet, unfortunately in the now, you know, women have that. All women now, they drink. They've got baby daddy. They've got fake hair. You know, all those things that engazithandi in a woman. I like a natural woman. And I like a woman who's soft, not
Simple
a woman,
man.
also masculine.
Nanyi question bafethu, nanyi question. Yes, amantombazana azele nani. What role are we playing as amajita? Because zikhona insizwa ezithrowile zathola incuzi zashiya amajita.
Yeah.
So kuyenzakalani ukuthi intombazane engaphuzi eziphethe kahle bekayithi udlale umfana nje.
I'm not here to correct my mistake. I'm not here to make good of what happened wrong in the past. We choose lo out. You know, we all have choices in life. So she chose that guy. And ukuthi uhlulekile ukumvetha that guy. You know, it's like umuntu athi no, at first he was a nice guy. No. There are always signs. Hlala kunezinto mfethu ezikhombisa ukuthi lo muntu lo umuntu ososo. Ile nto lefana nase KZN lapha ku Mrs Zulu, the king of the Zulus. Yeah, the Zulu king. Mfethu angeke wena njalo nje wena lokhu ukhetha ama stratmate. Obvious mawukhetha umntana mfethu westrata we-groove girl, those are tendencies, you know, ezohlangabezana nabo uyashutwa umntana yabona uhagana nabanye abantu kuma-social events. I mean, I don't want this. I don't want a woman nje uhlala nje uyaposta kancane kancane ukhipha ibono. I mean, I don't want a woman ofuna i-validation kwamanye amadoda kancane kancane ufake ithombe baloko bathi nice yabona ne-out nje se-Alexander Mkhukhwini lokuthi nice and yena bekathatha that validation ucabanga ukuthi uyafuneka la ngaphandle. She cannot distinguish ukuthi labantu laba bafuna ukushaya iduzu nje bamyeke and yena sekumele ngicompete nawo wonke umuntu because nowadays what is different is that a woman can post a picture, one picture, 10 million guys from Bangladesh, they all say oh nice and then bese kathatha those validations acabanga ukuthi manje kumele compete nami, you know, without even scanning ukuthi these guys they want to smash. And the women, naturally, they choose worst kind of guys all the time. That's why in the past, marriages were arranged by families, by fathers and brothers. They had to make sure that a woman's virginity is secured. Because women, I mean, as I said, go to different stages of their life. They choose the worst type of guys. They choose the bad boy. I mean, if you can introduce your sister to a good guy, who's always what, no, he's nice. No, he's nice. No, but he's a nice guy. No, he's nice. They want a bad boy. They want a guy, they want those things. And then it's only later on they shift. They realize with the bad boy, the bad boy is standela nje. Kuhamba ngepolo, kube mnandi, and it ends there. But they don't change. They're still there. But it's just that those guys, focus yabo, it's now on the new cream. And now they say, hey, any guy out there, you know, who's gonna settle? Then when you come,
the point of visa, ukuthi ama-arrange marriage, kuthiwa yiwa
they were the best.
Understand manje ukuthi kuhlalwe phansi hayi wena as personality yakhe ngamesha nekabani.
And
family then ihlanganisa.
Bazokutshela nge-choice. Good. What about free choice? You don't have free choice. There is no free choice when it comes to your relationship because i-proximity yakho itetemana economic level yakho. You know, where will I meet to Beyonce? Where will I meet to Ciara? Because I don't have the type of network aguyo. So there is no choice there. How often do you hear about bekuno Doja Cat eSouth Africa utazambele Mamelodi wathola intwana nje yabona what nice boy, you know, kwaba ne relationship. It doesn't happen. But relate at a certain level, nabanta relate nabo at a certain level. Elon Musk related at a certain level, nabanta relate nabo. Certain superstars. So there is no choice. Your choice is limited by the pocket. No, what about the free will? There's no free will. And the relationships, I mean, you learn to love a person. I mean, you hear now, where women, they just leave relationships because they believe that there's abundance. Because of social media, there is better out there. They go to their friends, but I told me you deserve better. You make one mistake, but he's gonna do it again. There's no forgiveness, even if it's a minor mistake. And but no, show me, know your worth. And the bayazi worth yabo ke maseba will. I know my worth. You know, that time you shanga 2 kids, you know, body count, in the long, I know my worth. I say worth, you know, ahambe, actually zingibhari, zimshaye, azisole, abuye, bayabuye. I realized, good, you know what, this guy was the best. How many people were divorced? And then they look back and say, damn, you know, I made a mistake. Because women, they get bored. They confuse peace and stability, boredom. You know, if you are cool, you're doing things, it's boring, you know, but when you adrenaline. And then they forget, good, there are certain things that are temporal, you know, even feelings. When as a guy, like most guys, we go through our days, life, hurt. Sometimes we're not happy in a relationship. Sometimes we're in a situation to this guy has never been intimate. No muntu wakhe for 6 months, 2 years. But I'm happy because endlini I'm providing. My kids are jumping around. But with women, happiness kubo bayidefine ngabo njengonyawuphe. Kumele yena ajabule yena. She can explode the whole house. Abantwana bayelena le basaphalana. As long yena, you know, entertainment ingekho kuye. Thina our entertainment ukuthi yazini, yeah, they are happy because of me. Lo funda kuphi, lo sekaqedile isikolo. It's all me, you know. So when they don't think like that, they think temporarily because of a feeling now. You must satisfy the clitoris now. And they forget ukuthi nayo lo shayayo mfethu ama long stroke. Uzohamba naye phela. Yabo. Now, in fact, there was a time when I don't know whether it's still that time. Ushama 4 rounds. Mina ngisenayo 4 rounds. 2, it's a bonus. Yabo. So, in fact, ngicabanga into eningi. Ne-age ivayile. Yabo, masingena endlini sokushaya silale. Ungaloku ngivusa kaningi. Mina makuvuke mina ke ngizokuvusa mina. Yabo, then nasekuseni ke sesiyahamba ke sekushaya yabo.
And
So
uzubona ukuthi women ayabheda amachera la eSouth Africa, not wonke but as ngibona ukuthi the guys like us, normal guys who don't have money but who are trying to be there for their kids, uyawathola eclinic umjidi uhamba nengane uyi-1 abekho, like most of the time ngiyako doctor nini, most of the time ngibona ama-gents engahambi namachera ahamba nje ney'ngane zawo. But what's wrong? Because the guys are willing.
Yeah, they want the top 5, top 20. The problem is once you give women a free choice, they'll all gravitate towards one guy. You know, that's the problem. There's so many guys. Abanye basebenza mfethu kuma filling station, kuma supermarket abafuni lapho. Bonke bafuna uCasper Nyovest. Bonke bafuna uDJ Spanibani. Bonke bafuna ukuyadla. So into esishayayo le ukuthi they all want one thing. And then now it's even worse because scope sivulekile. In the past, a woman would be exposed to 200 guys maybe in the neighborhood. You know, would not know ukuthi kwenzakalani le. So i-government yethu again, you know, it has liberated women. Afrikaners, they understood that you cannot liberate women, you know, without limits. Jews, they do that. Indians, they do that. There's something which is holding them down. Be it religion, they can reprimand women because women, I normally say, women are not good people, you know, if they've got the advantage. Yeah, Baba, if women got an advantage, so women, these races, they realize with once you liberate them, you must hold them, but in terms of the Bible, you know, you're not supposed to do that. Thou shalt not do 1, 2, 3. In terms of, you know, the Quran, you're not supposed to do that. Amapunu, they were slim because they were Christians. And they made sure that even economically, there are sanctions. There are certain things that you don't do. You can't open an account in Dr. King or your father must be there. You cannot access certain things without informing your father. You cannot get certain jobs higher than men. They limited them. But unfortunately, ANC government, it's a free for all. And then when they are free, they will show you flames. wonke umuntu uphuza iwine no. Wonke umuntu mfethu ufuna ukuvela mfethu ku social media ayenze sex tape, you know. And then later on those decisions they catch up with them. So other nationalities they contain them, you know. They gave guys at least inyunyana encane nje ukuthi no babe ahead so that they can choose. But now if I don't have money, what do I bring? How do I provide? Because women, they always want a guy onemali. Standard sakhe esihigher kunesakhe. A guy who's wanted by other ladies. So if I don't have those things which make me ukuthi ngibe desirable, ngibe nenyugo, and then what? They'll gravitate towards one guy.
Because in the society where everything is changing, the responsibility of a man doesn't change.
The responsibility
He
doesn't
he must
change. And
provide.
they are no longer virgins. Till our grandfathers, they married the best for less. Tina, now we are required to pay more for nothing. I wanted to say our grandfathers, they had less, but they got more. How many women now, on their first day, your wedding, who've never been touched by another man? Less than 2% probably, who are virgins on their day. Yabo, this is my best day, I'm handed over by my family. And the women and men, they can shout up and down, we are not the same. I mean, I can sleep with 1,000 women. I don't carry them with. Abanye ngibakhohliwe, bona they don't, because they invest feelings. For every guy that they meet, feelings are involved. So they will carry this guy for the rest of their lives. Even science now, they say they also carry them biologically, they imprinted, Guma cells. I don't know about that, but they say, the guy's sperm lasts forever or for longer in a woman. That's another thing. But they'll never forget that guy. That's why they always compare. To compare na wonke lo muntu, because those guys, they never leave. They will always be in their mind. There are women that it's just about to satisfy, my physique, and then keep it a thing. And I love my woman. And I'll never leave my woman next foot just because I met Beyonce. But bona they can't. That's why when a woman cheats with another man, my feelings wakaya change. I got disrespect ngapha because they're not wired that way. They can be divided. My feelings wabo. They just go, to the latter key. I can, Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukudlala kuphi dlala eKings Park mara mayibuye eFNB yazi ukuthi alakusedlahle. Bona banayo I think baqala bakudisrespect uyabona na ukuthi yazini. So go blind.
Speaking of that, are we ready to have
A woman's president.
a woman's president?
South Africa. I don't think we are. I used to think ukuthi we need a woman's president or a women president. Let us get maybe a different feeling because men have been corrupt. You can see what is happening with ANC. All these politicians, they don't listen to us. But mangibheka these women, abakhona manje kuma-politic, there's no hope.
Let's say taking Jacinta as such as the president.
I like Jacinta. What I've seen so far, I like social media. I think she can hold it. But she comes in the space of 1 in a million. She's an exception. She's a rare breed. And this is where I say, people will say not all. I cannot say not all. When 99% of the women, they show similar characteristics. When all of them, they want money. It's all about money. I cannot say not all. So Jacinta comes in that space, of a very, 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 very few, maybe a dying breed. But in the now, you can check, you go around. Most South African women, they just want soft life. They want to groove. That's why Nigerians, they take them for a song. And you check Lababago ANC. There's something that I once said, even with guys. Sometimes people can tell who they are by a presentation. You look at our politicians, compare them with other politicians overseas, or Obama. Have you seen Obama, Magavela? You're born with his presidential. Even the soccer players who go World Cup, Magavela is born with him. This is a soccer player. They look like models. You know, Abu Halat, Mosvela Libar, Abu Ronaldo, they take care of themselves. Mawati, this is a speaker for Donald Trump. Uyambona lo muntu ukuthi
It was the
presentable.
party.
You look at uRamaphosa, pa. uRamaphosa mfethu ngathi akusipilona. Umpunga lo muntu mfethu. Mangamfaki overall. Mangamfaki overall
Ukhathele uya-
uRamaphosa mfethu ngambuza ukuthi buti, ngicela ukuzofaka amathayis, ufaka ngamalini. Usibheke zonke mfethu ombalula. Mfethu mombheka lo muntu umbona noma egqokile mfethu ufaka igucci njengo Mayweather, you know, in a very cheap way. Ubheke nalabo chere belento be-ANC oLindiwe Zulu mfethu ngangimthanda uLindiwe Zulu, the youthful nature, wazidla umuntu ngotshwala mfethu momvela kuvela ngephuza face, and you expect ukuthi lo muntu lona uzoyenza something of circumstances, something of like circumstantial, something that making sense. I mean, you look at aboLindiwe Zulu, you look at aboKubayi mfethu lo mntana lo bamfaka la sekashanga obonye obuzo be-full moon wavele wabhaluna nje. You look at mfethu who's this woman Nthaveni speaker mfethu, such an important position. You are a minister in the office of the president. Ukhombozo uvela ngama-pesh mfethu awazi ukuthi ngathi mfethu people can say ukuthi mfethu I'm harsh, but noma vela mfethu uvela ngezinye inwela kakamanga. I understand ukuthi kwenzakalani mfethu. Udlekweni kunomunye naye mfethu i-spokesperson se-ANC bathi uMahlengi uBhengu uma uthi uyambheka ne-chiscope yakhona kusine chiscope mfethu angashaya i-chiscope engcono mfethu phansi kwesihlahla somewhere etendeni. Ngathi ubaleke mfethu ku-mental institution uthi uyambheka and you expect this person ukuthi mfethu angaba na something angakudilivela yona. Usibheke leza organ noma sivela boma-Denmark babathi minister nabafundisi bakhona bawami uyababona ukuthi mfethu he's a pastor lo muntu awuthi ngimlalele lezi zethu mfethu mabathi minister mfethu kunenye nje enokufaka isigqoko bathi minister of finance. You give this guy mara uyabona la uthi ayizange ngidlala ibhola, ayizange ngidlala ama-dice, ayizange ijole esikela. Uyibhekile nje mfethu uyabona ukuthi no man lo muntu lona mfethu man I can do better than this guy mfethu oplate nzimana umuntu uyabheka mfethu. Come on, fit. Bahlula ama-time afana nabo-K's. Have you seen a-K's Mdawu?
Yeah.
Even the skin texture.
Yeah, Abokhoza is there.
Abokhoza, uyabona ukuthi no,
yeah,
this person is.
already bahlulwa khona efekasini yazi
Yeah.
khona le abazwini Limpopo uPoppy wathwala
Poppy Ramathuba.
ukhalile ngako lento engawuthi ukuthi ukhalile ukuthi into ekhawatha labo already
Ama-Ben-10.
ama-Ben-10.
Yeah, so now I was gonna go there. So if you put them, time and again, they do stupid mistakes. Bas poster lana, lentwana zama-Nigerian, yokithi send me a video. So I mean, eventually, it means the country uzophathwa ama-Nigerian vicariously through bona, because most of them benza ama-mistake adomba nika lentwana ama-tender, naba budayinapule bababuyisile. I mean, masifaka udayinapule lapho kusho ukuthi no lentwana lezi ezibafostana ama-Ben-10 uzwa ngazo manje. That's what they do, bajola nalintwana encane. Maybe there are women who are good, but outside politics asibaboni, because that's what has happened now. The abnormal has become normal.
But ucabanga ukuthi wenze example nge-World Cup nami yakufikela lele mangibona Norway for instance.
Yeah.
Yabona uHaaland the way he carries himself.
Yes.
Abo-Odegaard, the way they carry themselves. Even the fans.
Yes.
I saw a video parliament yase-Norway.
Makhuluma ngama-fans. Nabantwana kunamashambula thina sinomama Joy.
So I had this thing ukuthi these countries,
Yeah.
even Mexico, what they have a sense of identity. Tina ngathi nje siqayile. Like njengoba ngisho ukuthi iNorway ngibone lento yaseNorway iparliament.
Yes.
Supported i-team yabo ku-World Cup. Bayenza lento abayenza e-stadium
Yes.
yama-Vikings. Yabo ukuthi banalento i-identity ukuthi yabona ukuthi angeke uzuphume uhambe usihlaza as a Norwegian person or whatever. Yabo thina ngathi nje siyayiphilela nje kuyayifanela. Ayikho nalento ukuthi i-president yethu vele asiyithembi nje. Angiboni ukuthi uyayithemba nje nami mayigqokile suit la.
Marwena, can you point out efana no-Gayton, this is my minister. He's a Mickey Mouse. He's a Mickey Mouse uGayton Mackenzie. So we don't have people abanjalo mfethu mabavele yazi noma ubukeli iparliament labo go Switzerland futhi you don't even know who's the president in those Scandinavian countries, but Denmark now, you know, Sweden, you don't even know, you know. But no more bega the parliament, you are born with no, these guys, they mean business. Laba bethu mfethu. No much bega parliament lethu. You know, I look impressed with no, like now, if you can ask who's gonna be the next president, we don't know.
Eish.
You can't find somebody who's presidential and somebody who's determined. So for me now, when it comes to women president, laba bakhona, I don't see one. I used to believe or think ukuthi mhlambe mele bagaye uLindiwe Sisulu i-chance, then I realized ukuthi naye ngathi kuyasifanele. Futhi ngathi bathini akanancosi nayifona ama-foreign. Bonke banabantwana nama-foreign.
ANC
Abuchikunga ney'nwele eziqala la.
I think lento eringayo leta ayikhe ukuthi thina nje. I think that's why umuntu ofana noNhlanhla Mkhwanazi Themeke vela.
Abantu bathi thank you.
Samjabulela. Yabona because of sesikhuluma nange-posture manje, the way he carries himself. Yabona udala. Lo muntu uhlukile manje ngathi sonke. Onala abantu ehlale sibabona uhlukile.
Yeah, thina mfethu namaphoyisa wethu eqaleni lezi amabhunu besithatha umuntu na umuntu uyambona lo muntu lona neposture yakhe.
Iphoyisa, yeah.
Manje mfethu nokuthi uyazihambela la eOrlando. Ubona iphoyisa mfethu. Njenge sibone esincane lahamba so mfethu. Ngathi
Buya
sportini lahamba so njani le ngeke ngibophe le. Yabo. So thina mfethu I don't know what's happening in country yethu. We don't take pride.
But like Jacinta, the history of dating is even like
asazi
ikhanda zakho.
Yabo.
It shows ukuthi lo muntu lo une background grand.
Yes, so Jacinta, I do like Jacinta, and I hope ukuthi she doesn't commit the mistakes enziwe about Dudula, because you can see now, you know, especially after Cyril Ramaphosa tried to go confuse her, and yeah, she can learn a lot from go to Dudula, go to Parliament. I mean, she has taken it further internationally from where people like Abu Nhlanhla Lux were, you know, and she has just added a step and a layer above. And I hope she remains, you know, consistent and not be confused by my politicians like Abu MK, Action, XA, because those guys, they now want to use cloud yaki. Because if you can look at a party like the MK, Jacob Zuma for starters, Jacob Zuma on the issue of foreigners, he's flip-flopping. There was a time when ama-foreigner ayahamba, Jacob Zuma angahambi. He was always fighting against ukuthi ama-foreigners ahambe. Even ama-ZEPs, ayishiwe wuye amaningi, aloku extended the Zimbabwean special permit, Jacob Zuma. Even when MK started, uthe akunamuntu ozohamba la. That's Jacob Zuma. I don't know whether banama business interests kwamanye countries, because most of these presidents and ministers, they've got interests outside countries, so they protect their business interests. Even Herman Mashaba is saying document them. No, we don't need to document them. They must be deported. When you come here, you must come here. And if you come on 3 months or a tourist, do what you need to do, bring money, and then after that leave. You cannot come with a student visa. All of a sudden, so for this a shop, and you do not even invest that 5 million. And the nangalo 5 million yakala because that 5 million figure. But you know, if you come to start a business, you must have 5 million. It's been there forever since Kaboma 82,000, 5 million. You know, it's not affected by inflation. At least it should be 15 million, 20 million. You know, you are coming to invest here. And these guys, all of them, they come with student visas. I'm a Pakistani, and then we're supposed to be okay. But to document them. Therefore, it means that you must document the whole continent, because they're all coming to one country. You know, and most of them, they're not scarce skills. So that's the problem that they have. So Jacob Zuma is very dicey. He's a person who's flip-flopping. Julius Malema. They are forever flip-flopping. And besahamba nalabo bantu, because many in the MK, especially ku grassroots, they want foreigners gone. So yeah, now we are trying to okay, what can I say now, to be aligned? Like Cyril Ramaphosa. During our election, Cyril Ramaphosa would no, we cannot allow people just to come, and open spaza shops in our communities without permission. Then after that, we have to register, which we must exercise the tolerance. So, which is nonsense. All these politicians, they are against South Africans. We don't hate foreigners, but you're saying, mabeza ngendlela right, and not all. Those who are coming to study, let them study. Those who are coming to invest, let them come.
To be carity now, if feel pressure, abantu abaningi sebebuyile and the market is.
That's their pressure. Why must we absorb their pressure? I mean, all these countries, they want to use South Africa as a SASA. Abo Zimbabwe, Abo Malawi, but in South Africa. I heard one minister in Nigeria. Actually, the job of Nigerians, it's for them to go outside there. There is no future for them in Nigeria. They must go outside there. So Nigerians, they must come here. That's why they're always fighting. They're always banning about ShopRite. But no, they want these guys here, even they are criminals. It can't be like that. And our police now, they are lenient because they're not arresting these guys. It's not difficult to arrest people who are not supposed to be here. You don't need permission, a minister.
Ngibone ivideo fana ekuseni intombazane yasezintolo ithi lezi suka South Africa ebezibamba inkuzi zifikile lapha kwaBulawayo abathi zayibamba
Kwasekunabantu abashonile
khona eZimbabwe
zayibamba inkuzi
mabadile nabantu babo and they must build a wall. This thing ukuthi you are always told ukuthi our borders are porous. They must build a wall. I mean uMandela is the one who came abasusa electric fence ngoba washata noGrasha lapha wasifakela abosibali.
That's very true. It's a cause electric fence apartheid government. Electric fence.
And they were patrolling it. And they also had commandos patrolling. I-army yetenzani mfethu. All our soldiers are overweight. They're overweight. You don't know ukuthi benzani. They just go there to earn. I mean, South Africa ayilwe. The only time ukuthi baba deploy le go DRC bayogada into zama politicians. So they must work. Babe ku army bagade ba change. Apartheid government used to do that. Even namaphoyisa bewaya ebhodini. Kube ne shift ukuthi next month kuyathina lapha. Awathathe amaphoyisa ayogada iborder babuye. So these ones they've allowed South Africa to be overrun by foreigners deliberately so. And unfortunately, we can march as much as we want. Kuzohamba a few because there are millions here. Kuzohamba maybe 2,000, 5,000. We can march, go to courts. Our courts, they are too liberal. They interpret these laws in favor of the foreigners. Our constitution is way too liberal. And these guys, they're exploiting our laws. None of my NGOs that are here. Abopai Act, Batatama building. And then what now?
Oh, another thing, did you see the journalist from Nigeria was asking the minister?
Yeah, because they've allowed them. ANC allow foreign to just delay. Foreign mfethu awasakwathi nokwathi ecaleni bothi hey livele libaleke khona manje seliyama nalo lisishove ecaleni bothi yabo because ngenamba sebazoshaya noma uthi wena wenzani so uyabona ukuthi uyalwa nayo yabo hayi mfethu in a foreign country can't fight in a foreign country and over something utshelwa ukuthi you are wrong. I mean the PAC when they were in exile 17 of their members were killed I think in Tanzania because they were protesting. But you cannot protest on a foreign soil. You must go to an embassy. Foreigners are not supposed to protest in South Africa. You go to an embassy. Mobuye Somalia, go to an embassy. Lea complaints wako. But manje they protest. Lapaya Mayfair, bapeti ibhamu mfethu. Even the police are scared to go there. Lapaya PE mfethu bashisa ama takes. Baby zani gqebera. I hate these terms and these names politicians abo gqebera bo OR Tambo. Mina ngisayibiza Jan Smart Airport because they did not build it. This is where I also oppose the name changing. At some point, they wanted to change the name of Soweto. It's okay, even if it's a name, ethathwe from geography. It is okay, there's nothing wrong. Igama eli neutral, Southwestern Township, you know, or townships. It's okay, even if it's South Africa. It's okay. What's wrong if South Africa ibizwe nge-geographical position? Uzabathi South Africa doesn't have a name. It's South Africa. Namibia, Southwest Africa. It was a geography. Because now, if they change the name, we are not Tina in power. They're gonna call it the Republic of Moses Kotane, the Republic of Mandela. How many times can you call things ngamagama ANC? And not all of us subscribe to the policy ANC. Yeah, so let the name ihlale njalo. Yabona kunamagama neutral. Let's say maybe eThekwini. It's a beautiful name. Aliko partisan, alfevi kata, alfevi ngithanda amagama njalo, yabo. Nebafana Bafana. It's a beautiful name. They wanted to change Bafana Bafana. So suggest ukuthi Mandela's Boys. No. Mandela's Boys. There was a time when they were suggesting. There was a time when no. Bafana Bafana is okay. Angithi bana kubuza another thing, but no. Bafana Bafana means boys, little boys. No, it doesn't mean that. You know, in context, you know, masithi mfethu mfana mfana. It means you've done well, Bafana. Yabo, Bafana ba style. You know, it's terms of endearment. The same way as kunama player mabatu Sister Monica. Asiyisho ukuthi usis. Jesu Queen Lehode. Asiyisho ukuthi mfethu uyiqueen. You know, so those are people who are mischievous. Aba misinterpreta language yethu. Sifana nalomfana lo waseZimbabwe. Bekathi uLebu M.
I saw it, the comedian, that guy.
Yeah, but he was serious. He was trying. You know, Zimbabweans, they do that all the time. They try to belittle us. Magathi ngonyama. What's
he was
the phrase?
explaining this thing, this thing, what it means. Lento yokuthi ingwenyama.
Yeah, he was taking it literally.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mawati, like, you know, here comes the lion.
Yeah.
Here comes the lion. No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Mawati na tsingwanyama bagiti.
They simply means
It means there's a lion. There's
Don't
a
be fooled
lion.
by the
No, tina masithi ngonyama, the stature, you know, what brings you, you know, the aura. So those are things esikhuluma ngazo, mabathi ngonyama, you know. And yeah, Zimbabweans, they're always trying to attack us at regular intervals
I
because
hate these rumors that Mfana Mugabe is back. You saw the picture.
I would not be surprised because these guys, they don't see South Africa too. There was a delegation in Zimbabwe, ANC. They were turned back. Babachela ukuthi Zimbabwe is not the province. Yes, South Africa. Thina sesidelelwa na kuLesotho mfethu. iLesotho nje bekumele nje one day nje sifake induku. Yabo sesidelelwa mfethu ama country afana nabo Mozambique because of the greed ama politicians wethu. They cannot exercise authority because umuntu uyacabanga ukuthi there's a new water project. Ngifakile nami ngale nginethenda ngale yabo, so they cannot reprimand these guys. These guys, they know it. Apartheid government, one day they woke up in the 80s because they were fighting the ANC. Some of the ANC cadres, they were in Lesotho nabohani, but sivala yonke into, we surrounding Lesotho. Nothing comes in, nothing goes out until you comply. Lesotho complied. That's now amapheko la wahambe. Yabo, wahamba amapheko. Labo Botswana, they used to comply in the government of the day, apartheid. Mozambique, they used to comply. Zimbabwe, they used to comply. Namibia.
And we didn't have so much foreigners during apartheid.
Yeah. They're just in Jama agreements, maybe Nabo Malawi, you know, few countries, bears in my mind, you know, basebenza. But now we cannot exercise the authority.
If she was
The
in a
audacity,
different
bro.
country, bekayoboshwa nokuboshwa.
Yo.
Lento bekayikhuluma ama-country abadlala babopha uzodelela uminister kanje uzokhuluma kanje nje in a foreign country.
Yeah, Tina,
Basiza.
we are loose. Mina, if I know this thing, yeah, mabati deport illegal foreigners. They omit. No. They violated the laws. And now they call them undocumented, just to water it down. No, they're illegal. arrest them, give them lengthy sentences, about 5 years. More Pindo is 7 years. So that they can tell others, you know what, in South Africa, once you violate their immigration laws, it's 5 years minimum sentence or 10, you know, and then we deport you. Should you come back, a lengthy sentence, but you're not doing that. You arrest them, you deport them, they come back. You know, they must pay. And their
foreigners.
Yeah, nama countries where they must pay for them coming to our hospitals, abusing our systems. You know, they must find a way of how do we punish these guys, but we're not doing that. So unfortunately, that's the price. South Africans, they like their abusers, and they vote the same people. They give them a chance. So that's why, yeah, I'll never endorse my own oppression in whatever form. You know, I'll never celebrate a leader ongenangqondo or a leader nje engabenefit kuyo. Most people I know in KZN, they always fight me when I say that I'm my own king. I don't bow to another man. I cannot bow to a mortal. Where I'm told which my bloodline is inferior. I was created by God to be here, not to bow to another man. There is no religious leader ngizothi kuye uNkulunkulu. Yabo. Yeah, Papa. So I don't believe in that. You know, we are all equal. Indoda nendoda melidla umjulo kwekhanda layo. Milisebenze ukuthi when I come from the royal family by birth. Ukuthi uzalwele lapho. Movela sengimele ngobe, it can't work like that, my brother.
Estela.
You know, to be honest, the guy who was gonna make a good king was Magati. I think, let me say I think, because naye mhlambe bekazongena esihlalweni ashintshe naye. But he shows qualities ukuthi bekangabayilile. Mina ayodayile nguMisizulu, King Misizulu. Yeah, like he was suspect nje from day one. Maybe he will improve. Maybe he will improve with time. People will have a mistake, will improve with time.
I think the problem is the choices of the women he dates.
No.
Yeah, but the choices.
I don't think it's that. Like, if you're like from the day our goes, there were always rumors. The day
from his family.
Yeah, so eventually this is a pool. Eventually this is a pool. But ngifuna ukubuza lento le ukuthi
because ngathi akusesistela sodwa lesana. Stela ngesidala kanjani. Ngathi akusesistela sodwa break. But ushane ebhodlela
isukela utshwala. Singasukeli nje. Yebona beyabhetha vele kodwa singasukeli. Ezinye izinto kumele mina for me the way I see it. Like yazi njani? Ufuna lento sizoyisho ufuna ukubuza ayithi
ngiyakubona utry ukuyibeka grade.
No, awufuna ukubeka grade. Ufuna ukubuza lento leyo ukuthi ngathi ngizwa but kunalento
sokulanda KZN bathi usuthini ke mfana.
Akwa ndwa ngoba director ngibatshele futhi ukuthi kulapha.
Ikick makungasiyiyo.
Yeah.
Not emazulwini kuphela or but ikick makungasiyiyo. There will be kuzoba nendlala. Leyo ndaba. There will be drought. Kuzohlusheka. There won't be peace. You understand? I don't know what Kenya is defined.
I've heard that.
Yeah, so don't you think maybe?
But what is the role of the king in the now? Because there's a premier, now king iPetro ama premier, iPetro ama mayor. What is the role of a king? Momzulu or belong kusikhukhuni. What is it that you can claim and say, you know what? Because belong to the kingdom. This is my benefit. Maybe people in Dubai, they've got benefits. Maybe they've got, benefits that accrue to them. Mama bank account to Abayashinja, But in the now, if I'm saying, who's suit? What is my benefit? Engayibona ukuthi yazini at least ngithole indlu because of a king fought for me because ngiyasebenza lana. What is other than ukuthi thina siyaxhayisa ngobuzulu bethu.
laba bantu abakhipha imabhazaro like uma ubheka e-KZN ney'ngane ey'hamba imhlanga
Yeah.
lezi ngane kuya nje inkosini iy'gane kuphela ayikho into ey'thiwa yile ngane ayitholi amabhasari ubukhosi abusiza ingane lutho isiyasuke nje kuthiwa kunenkosi.
Yeah, but he's a custodian of our culture. Can't you guard yourself? Can't you be a custodian without a king? I mean, there's Ingonyama Trust. I don't know. Maybe Abantu, they benefit from that. I don't know. Which people who are coming maybe to mine there must be a benefit that accrues to you. I mean, go UAE, there are certain benefits that accrue to you. Like go Dubai, we don't pay an income tax. There's no income tax. You don't pay maybe a fine above VAT because our country is rich. Our country has got oil. Our country has got minerals more than many countries. At some point, South Africa was the richest in the world. So now, what is the benefit other than celebrating one family and then kube yiyo ebenefitayo edlayo and tinabanye we are told that you are a subject. You don't even have a chance to contest that throne. Which as in nami ngifuna ukuba inkosi ngelinye langa makutshela ukuthi no, your bloodline is inferior. According to who? Because all of them, if you can ask, all of the kings in the world, they all believe that they were ordained by God. They all believe that no, thina sasuke emazweleni, sakhethwa sizobuswa. Yeah, ifana nomfundisi lo, umfundisi ozovuka athi bengikhuluma noNkulunkulu izolo. Uthi wena shada nalo, wayangakhulumi nami nenyanga. I mean amadlozi wakho athi, why amadlozi wami angakhulumi nami? Akhuluma nomunye umuntu engingamazi. So it's hearsay. So for me, I don't know. Those people who believe in that, it's fine for them. But for me, ngicabanga ukuthi nakudala mfethu bengizobhunguka mina bengizobaleka ngivaye
ifana lento ikhuluma inkosi iyayenzeka le Bafokeng Royal Bafokeng.
Yes, benefit.
Aw, like as umphakathi.
Yes,
Platinum Mines, Royal Bafokeng, namabhazari, nama-sports complex, they bakhile mfethu.
KZN ngeke uzwe ukuthi inkosi ikhipha amabhasari.
some of the
Platinum
things,
Stars ayisuka la.
yes.
Tona kunama-academy yonke lento le. Abantu bakhona bayabenefit.
We want to see that. Mawuthi kunenkosi. Yabona njengase-England, they took from the world and gave to their people. There are certain things, I don't know, with our cultural leaders, they don't go with the time. If I know lento le njengoba kuyi-winter manje, going to the mountains. But what happens in the mountain stays in the mountain. Uma ngani ukuthi awusekusela Las Vegas manje. I mean, come on. If you go to the mountain, you circumcise. Then you come back. You're unemployed. You don't have skills. You're adding to the social ills. There's still gender-based violence. There's still HIV. There's still rape. Now you're adding to that. What is the use of that? Because I believe in the past, you were going to the mountains so that when you come out of the mountains, we are a member of a society on a solution to the crisis of the day. Like Amapuni, they took their kids to the army for 2 years. Bafunda ma skills lapaya. Bayalwa nokulwa ngapha. And then when they come out there, they come back better people. Man, I thought that, they should update their curriculum. Kwazi ukuthi mhlambe yazini, masentabeni sifunda ukuthi nokuthi, okay, our country needs this, or we need boiler makers, we need plumbers, okay, we're in the digital space. Lentwana lezi mazilapha entabeni, asisifundise ukuthi yazini, how to, cooperate and succeed in a modern world, but they're not learning that. Mababuye umuntu wakhona ubuya nganafokola, ubuya lihlaza more.
Ubuya babuya bewese.
So bese bakutshela ukuthi yeah.
Mina into engayibona la Eastern Cape. Nento encane ziyazisa manje. Only the name yokuthi akasafune ukutshelwa endlini.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uyami ube lapho uzobuya ndindoda ngoku. Yabo sekana lento le. As young as 15, 13.
But indoda who
cannot scared. Maybe we phethe black label.
So yinto abuya nayo.
Akasayeli.
Because abantu benganyiswa 6 months bafunda icomputer le kube khona bebe business into eziningi. Umuntu mayebubuya nane license.
Imagine if there was government.
Yeah. Nejazi.
Kuyindoda.
Ugqoka nje ijazi nesigqoko kuphelile-ke ngawo.
Yeah, if we had a proper interventions from
Kanti abakhiphi
premiers,
laba.
kuma
Abakhiphi.
provinces, mhlambe kwaziyo ukuthi KZN yini into esiprominent ngayo, bayifundise leyo nto ukuthi okay, it's motor mechanics, or we now see ukuthi the electric cars are coming. How do we learn the battery technology so that masiphuma lapho sikwazi ukulungisa that thing? eLimpopo siyazi ukuthi okay fine, ezaseLimpopo specialize ngokuthi, ezase-Eastern Cape, and we add kuma solutions esinawo in a country, rather than ukuthi masiphuma lapho we are the same. Gender-based violence, utshwala, there's alcoholism, everything bad is happening in South Africa. We have no solutions. I mean, there was a time in South Africa I was ahead of China. I mean, you ask yourself, what went wrong? We were ahead of China. The way Chinese, they were so backward. We used to say, "Ama China dlabantu." We had Panabo Australia, Panabo Japan. I mean, at some point, we're better than some of the EU countries, even our currency, go France, because some of them, they came from 2 world wars. Tina, we are solid. We are the first world country in South Africa. Unfortunately, we're the first and the third, in one country, if you include TBV states. But TBV states, back in the days, they were not part of East South Africa, and self-governing territories. So now what happened? Because we don't have people with a vision. So we find ourselves where we are. Everybody wants to eat. Everybody wants a soft life. So unfortunately, this is where we're at. And what can you do? And everybody's looking for a hero. Even our challenges just now, everybody wants to be a hero. And everybody's looking for a hero. And I'm a hero, so it's a last disappoint. Time and again, athanda imali. Time and again, uzabathi mfethu sekunemali involved. Khona abantu abanikwa imali. And it's something that I remember, even now we issue immigration, I always emphasize it. Because if you're going to lead a movement, let's say be it to do la march and all that, find a way. You could say, may a nice individual, how can I survive? If in a skill, let me continue at that profession. Because if you don't, we'll just take this. As a figure, my politicians that bamba na imali. The business community bamba na imali. Or so for nama donation, uhambe utshela nama Pakistan ukuthi hey, donate into my foundation, which it has happened many a times.
In closing, the behavior of Phakela Mthakathi after meeting the president and the direction that the country, and the direction that the country is taking. Which direction do you think that the country is taking, and the behavior of Phakela Mthakathi Nabongizwe after meeting the president? What is your take on that?
Yeah, Ungizwe for mina uyitlawu uyimenemene. At some point you'll tell you ukuthi Julius Malema is the leader. The next thing athi Julius Malema udoti, Ramaphosa. Ungizwe umuntu nje mangibheka uyala nje yabona kune juice khona. Manginemali la umuntu njalo, and I don't take him seriously. But uPhakela Mthakathi, I cannot do away ngama qualities anawo. He's an organizer. He's able to bring a lot of people, but there are certain things ashota ngazo. He's not a good speaker. He always makes some mistakes here and there. Hence, I thought that maybe Jessica will be the face, the speaker. But on the ground, and I'm beginning to sense this. The eye specialist. I normally say it's an eye specialist. Once as a leader, we acknowledge you. But once you start saying, I, me alone can do this, me alone. That's what killed Abu Tutula, also it's your parliament. Once you start saying, good, mina ngiyi-one, ngenza lokhu. Slice. Mina ngiyi-one, I can do this. No one can do what I do. It's a problem. And then thirst yakhe yemali. Maybe if somebody else would ask money on his behalf, could the foundation act. But you cannot be going to the very same people in Pakistan who are illegal and say, donate to my foundation. I've seen that good to do like happening. And they divided the movement. Go so to parliament, Pakistan. And for me, it was in bad taste. Even them meeting Ramaphosa, they're supposed to communicate. They don't communicate. I'm doing 1, 2, 3. But going forward, I feel Uguti, they cannot march forever. They should look at issues which are low-hanging fruit, especially court actions. I can see with the March and March, they open themselves to that approach. Go to court. Kulama issues that are easy to win. There are issues that are easy to win. For an example, abantu ibhedlela, when they are there, the hospital or minister of health must report them to immigration to compel these departments. What they should do, they should compel the government, various departments, the minister of police. What are you doing about illegal immigration? There's buildings being hijacked in Hillbrow, where you don't need court action, where they can just come in, and arrest people, who are not adhering to bylaws. You go to Minister of Transport, they must do more of what is happening. You check in Jelis Farnabukri, what is the Mosho foreign,
Tiwa itenda le yokugupa la people yakumla work past the ridings. Tiwa iphethwe Nigeria.
Yeah, you fight those things. Yeah, when you give Nigerians a tender, you go to court. Like Abu Forum would know, you cannot give these guys a tender because they don't fall within the scopes of PEE. They should do that because you can't march forever. You'll get tired. You need resources, and fight. Minister of Defense, what are you doing to secure our borders? Why are you not in the border? Compel them. Take all these various departments, and where your loved one has been violated by foreigners, sue the Minister of Police and sue them in their personal capacity. They must pay the cost. They must pay from their pockets. They will feel it. If you say, you know what, we're going to hold your pension. We are targeting your pension. As a Minister of Police, you did not do 1, 2, 3. We are going to court. No, you don't deserve your pension. They will feel it. They will do what is right. And I think that should be the approach. Nama protest. There are protests where you can do. Cyril Ramaphosa, Maganama interest in McDonald's, and you check with, okay, is he employing South Africans or most of them are foreign? You target them. Nama court actions. No, you are violating our labor laws. If you're not, you boycott. Tell people don't buy McDonald's. Don't buy Coca-Cola. Things that we used to do. They must feel it. There must be something that they feel. You know what? We are really, really, really dissatisfied. But I think that they should work together, not just they make a good team.
Yeah.
They make a good team because Upagela is on the ground. But they should know their strength. There are people that are good ngokuluma. There are people, you see, Jessica, even if umbona vela ku BBC, you trust that you relax. Upagela mthakathi mfethu uzotsho something enye manje sekumele ni defend.
But it's good at like mobilizing people.
Yeah, it's good at mobilizing people. Hayi umuntu uzofika sekakhuluma enye into semuju. Did you really say that njengaleyo ukuthi we can all get how many millions a month for the rest of our lives? We know there are certain things that we know with these guys, they're abusing our women for citizenship. But now we beg ngalo ndlela ukuthi hey laba yabona hey baba yenze ezinye izitayela yabo. Yeah, there are certain things. There are certain things as funny art. You must have poetry in saying them.
Yeah.
So, but I hope that they go back to the drawing board, work together. But I was very irritated by them meeting Ramaphosa. All of a sudden, sekuba namaruma semali, na sekafaka masuti, and him saying that he doesn't owe much explanation.
Yeah, that was wrong.
That was wrong. Good to know.
He does actually.
Yeah, and he doesn't owe Jacinta an explanation. He does because he came there under the Tikite March and March, which is about immigration. It did not come ngobunsizo, and yeah, there is money. If we all fight as a collective for the things that is right, I think we can be okay. But the issue of illegal immigration is an alpha and omega in South Africa because everything that we want, manifestos, our politicians, must be achievable. Those things start with a foreigner. You want jobs, I'm a foreigner start. You want housing, I'm a foreigner start. If I'm a foreigner, they don't wait for EQ, which is a fair but they don't get anything. So they take everything that you want. Our hospital beds here. So if you don't fight that, South Africa is gone. But unfortunately, South Africans don't see that, which we are being replaced.
Because I think from now going forward, kumele sibheke emafemini, ikole, ibhedlela.
punish the employers
Yeah.
with jail term, which as in Anglo-American or whatever company, MultiChoice is employing foreigners illegally, arrest the CEO. Ungabashaya ngama-fine as a company, arrest him in his personal capacity.
Umuntu aphume ne-criminal record.
Yeah, aphume ne-criminal record. They will stop doing that.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we don't have a winning government. So, but as South Africans, we need to be active. Issues and no one is going to save us. Singabheka umuntu oyi-one because time and again sinokubeka ama-hopes wethu emuntu oyi-one lo muntu lo washintsha or tomorrow uthole i-promotion ya somewhere and then what happens? We're back to square one. So, but yeah, we'll see. Let's hope ukuthi tomorrow it's a brand new day.
Yeah. Let's not lose hope.
Yeah, we can't be
negative
all the time. But I just hope that South Africans now mfethu amajita ayikutshwala kancane mfethu. Amajita sikasi mfethu ayaphuza mfethu. Ayaphuza mfethu.
And baphuza ngitsholo ongasabazi negama lawo.
Sekuphuza nama-phone call mfethu.
Cha ngiyabona ukuthi but igama lakho nakhona ngisho ulifunda kodwa umuntu uyaphuza uyadakwa.
Ngombiyona.
Indoda.
Inkombyo nini? Bathi bayimix
khona lokhu kusescoopy.
Sescoopy.
Ayabaqeda.
Maria babulala.
Nyawupe nayo le nto.
Yeah, nyawupe ke le nyawupe yotshwala ke le.
Hayi.
Kushamlomo ubebomvu.
Yeah, mina I used to watch movies. After labo New Jack City. Even before that, I never thought that in South Africa will have a drug problem where we see abonyaope, we see amahobo. You'd see movies as America abantu bapusha amatroli. I never thought that one day we'll see that in South Africa. I never thought kuti in Johannesburg prostitutes will be anywhere and everywhere. I mean, you can go to town now. There was a place like BMW town during the day. Actually, it shocked me. I saw this woman who fight stockings, but I can see La Pambi. Like, I was like, yeah, man, I understand what goes on. Because I was shocked. Like, I realized later, right la Carlton Center, ngabo 11 during the day. So I never thought that you'll see those things. So, but because of this government, they've allowed that, human trafficking. Human trafficking, what is fake news.
Sure.
So that's the unfortunate part, so what can I say?
Oh, hayi, Mdungu siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Nge-episode namhlanje. Siphinde sikubone futhi ngokuzayo.
I'll see you.
Yeah.
But I'll also take some time now. I'm everywhere.
Akumele kube leli ikhaya lakho la.
No, I will still show up, but you don't want to be everywhere. But this guy.
Hayi la siyakudinga uma kunezinto eyifuna ukuqondiswa kumele ufike
Mshimano wakhe. Mshimano abantu basadi. Mina wherever I go Mshimano abantu basadi. Oh, this guy hates women. No, I don't hate women. But we need to reprimand each other. And njengoba nathi sasikhuza abantu bamanje abasafuna ukukhuza bafuna ukwenza noma yini. In life there are certain decisions that you take. Your life will never be the same and you cannot come back. So there are people moja abakhuza abakubiza ngama-term but who hate you masajani, toxic masculinity. That's why ngithi thina majita one thing is good ngayo. Thina we shame each other into greatness. You cannot make mistakes kubhekile sathi ukuthi manje Christine ngathi mfethu sofaka amazipho la thina bese uya cross. So but women bona bakhona nje bona ku I'll tell you this, my brother. That's why sometimes women they can make amanyama choices. I've seen it happening in Malukshini, where women, sisters, they will bring the younger one to this corruption. Bamthengisa. Ukuthi bakwazi ukuphuza ngaye. Thina machita we will never do that. I keep on saying ukuthi ngeke uyogangana intwana yakho. Niboshwana ngenifena ukubona bayenza that thing and they don't tell the others ukuthi yazi mina ngathola umntwana mfethu ngisafunda matric isikolo kwabanzima. Impilo yami nje ubaba umntwana wabaleka. But hayi chomi you are a queen that you are. Umangani ukuthi queen that you are with all the disadvantages. Thina machita mfethu. Mfethu siyakutshela ukuthi mfethu once wayejele mfethu eziyaduma yabo ngibuya khona yabo we warn each other so bona abakhuzane So masibakhuza as their brothers, kuba ngathi you are angry. Yabo. And then they want to punch holes in your argument. They look for your own mistakes.
ukuthi nawe
But now, so I acknowledge, like, you cannot scandalize me. Yeah, I've been a playboy. So, so I loved women in my past. But now saying, now age is catching up. And besides, like, I just look, and say, hey, now it's dangerous.
it's no longer the same.